almost till I sit on the bike and start the ride, I keep thinking if I kept everything or not, especially when we're going for a long ride, like at least for 7 days plus. I think I packed everything, but still not sure. That, you know, that thing in the back of your head telling you that you did not put this, you did not put that, and last moment, maybe just before going to bed, I remember I have to put extra socks, and then I have to put nasal drops. So it doesn't matter. I think I'm almost done. I packed everything, all good. I just dropped my phone. Very good. Just need to go and load these on the bike. Oh my god, it is so exciting. Top box so literally empty. I just put some batteries. This camera will go into this, you guys know that. Helmet ka visor to nahi hai because I removed it. I need to clean it. Looks very bad actually. This is one of the main reasons I wanted to change my helmet. You know, this bloody thing cost literally 6,000 rupees. And I think it should handle for this particular trip. And I'm expecting, I'm not sure, I think there are no rains for the next 10 days at least. Not sure. Someone was saying Wayanad and all these places, they have a little bit of rains. So it doesn't matter, tomorrow morning we're leaving. So what else? Let's see. I told you, right? Power bank, very important. I need to put this. And the main, very important thing, the Sena. And this is one useless device. Unfortunately, there is no Surujan. How do these people know that I'm vlogging perfectly? They'll call me. Let me install the Sena, the visor, and the main thing, the GoPro setup. And we're ready with our gear. After all this is done, let's go put the panniers and the top box on the bike. Chepra. నేను ఇంట్లోనే ఇప్పుడే ఇంకా ఫినిషింగ్ టచెస్ ఇస్తున్నా ప్యాకింగ్ కి. బండి ఎక్కిచ్చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. క్యూట్ బాయ్, చూద్దాం. అరే 5:40 రా టైం ఇప్పుడు. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 12 hours we need to leave, dude. 5 కి we need to leave, which means you need to get up by 4:30 at least. ఏంటో మా పిచ్చి మా రైడ్లు. You know, one good thing of the Triumph panniers, you can put the left one to the right or right one to the left, doesn't matter. The thing is, you have to be careful with the weights inside, because on this side you have the exhaust, so you need to balance it right. Chalo then, enough of all this prep videos. Bahut ho gaya abhi. Let's start the ride. Diwali chal raha, so tomorrow early morning plan is to leave by 5 a.m. Let's see if we can do that. To start at 5, not get up at 5 a.m. That means I have to sleep like literally another 2 or 3 hours. Let's see if I can do that. What's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Time is literally 4:40 a.m. in the morning. I got up like almost half an hour early. I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Had a good night's sleep. Slept at around 11 o'clock. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ghante. Already all set. Just need to wear the riding boots. Everything is packed on the bike. And before leaving, doesn't matter if you're riding a Tiger, doesn't matter if you're riding a BMW or Ducati. One thing you have to do is listen to mom. Put the Nimbu and crush it. Yes, we'll do the Indian insurance and roll. Finally ready. Time is around 5:20 something. From now onwards till the end of this trip, I'll be repeating the statement that we'll be late, because we have people who make it late all the time. Actually, when it's a group ride, if it's more than 2 people or 3 people at least, it definitely gets late, no matter how much you stress. Chalo, I'm to ready. Just now they messaged me to start. I'll have to do this crushing ceremony. very important. By the way, I did not mount the tank bag here for you guys, okay? So that you can get a nice vision, because I feel this is a little bit tall and it might come in the GoPro's frame. So let's move the beast, and by the time I finish crushing these lemons, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because we're gonna get some epic vlogs. Rides are gonna be fun from now onwards to the next 10 days. So definitely hit the subscribe button, and you guys know how to appreciate me, right? Hit the like button. If you have something to say, comment down below. Let's move now. Putti, street one, I forgot you. Stay okay. Dad will be taking you out. Be good, be decent. Don't show off your torque too much. Time is 5:22. Let me check what is the weather situation in Chikmagalur. Hyderabad to 21 clear, partly cloudy. Yes, I cannot see stars. Chikmagalur ka dekhenge. Chikmagalur 21 degrees, cloudy, and tomorrow rain. Dear nature, I told you the reason we are starting a ride right now is so that we have clear clouds. Yeah, this is not the way. 50% chance of rain tomorrow. Jai Mata Di, Jai Balaji, Jai Maheshmati. Chichi. बहुत दिन हो गया यार ऐसा चला के गाड़ी. It's been really long since I've ridden the bike with a top box and panniers. I have to be a little bit mindful now while filtering, especially because we have panniers. Actually handle nikal gaya to panniers also we can easily maneuver. Only thing is they are slightly, maybe half inch more than the handle's width. Oh yes, I feel the bike's weight now. It's trying to lift up a little bit. See, this is the problem when we have lot of luggage space. Usually if it's just a top box, you try to psychologically you know that you don't want to put too much of weight because you have limited luggage space. But when you know that you have left and right panniers, you will pack it like properly. So let's see you at the first meeting point. First meeting point will be Vivanta, Taj, me, Srijan, Kishore, and I think Naresh and Edwin might be coming for a breakfast ride, not for this whole trip. But yeah, the meeting point, me, Srijan and Kishore are the main riders. What's up, bro? Abba! Bokal ra, bokal is kota katla. Hey, నువ్వు వచ్చావు టైంకి మొత్తం నువ్వేరా. Okay, this is the first meeting point, Vivanta. Next meeting point will be, I don't know, somewhere I think near the exit of Hyderabad, that is Okarar. It is a Bangalore highway basically, so we will be taking the Bangalore highway till Anantapur. Anantapur se right. I have done this ride before solo on the new Tiger almost like 2 years back. So okay, situation started. Situation started. First problem. We are waiting here. Why are we waiting here? Cheppu koncham. Chaitanya's bike is not starting. We are almost near Shamshabad, another 5 or 6 kilometers from here. And he calls us and tells us I cannot start because my bike is not starting. So now the plan is to go back to Chaitanya's house. Kishore luckily has a charger. We're going to charge his bike and try starting it. If it starts, okay. Otherwise, trip is going to get delayed, not ended. It will delay, okay. He'd excited. Chalo, podam. We'll go to Chaitanya's house now. ఎవడ్రా మాకు దిష్టి కొట్టింది ఇట్లా రైడ్ స్టార్ట్ కాకముందే బిస్కెట్. చలో లెట్స్ నాట్ వేస్ట్ ఫుటేజ్ టైమ్. ఐల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ సీ యూ అట్ చైతన్యాస్ ప్లేస్. నాకు ఫోన్ చేయడం టెన్షన్ ఉండే కదా వాడికి. అరే వీడికి ఫోన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. నేను వచ్చిన అనుకున్నా. ఏంటంటే ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇట్రా ఒక్క నిమిషం మాట్లాడాలరా నీతో. మల్కాజ్గిరి వాళ్ళు లేట్ వస్తారు, ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ అవ్వని, తర్వాత నేను బయలుదేరుతా. దిస్ ఇస్ ది సిచ్యువేషన్. వీ వర్ నియర్ శంషాబాద్, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 37 minutes ఆన్ ది మ్యాప్ టిల్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ శంషాబాద్ టు హిస్ హౌస్. బ్యాటరీ ఇష్యూస్. అరే అవును, నాకు ఒకటి అర్థం కాదు. ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వన్ థింగ్ చైతన్య, క్యూ బ్యాటరీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ యువర్ Tiguan, నో BMW, ఆల్ జర్మన్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ దిస్ బ్యాటరీ ఇష్యూస్. ఏం పిలిచాడు మమ్మల్ని. అబ్బా క్యూట్ బాయ్. అది పులిరా, దట్ ఈస్ ద టైగర్, ద మోస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బైక్ ఇన్ ద లాట్.
ప్రీమియం రా,
జర్మన్ ప్రీమియం.
సరే పోయి ప్రీమియం
స్టార్ట్ కాదు,
ప్రీమియం ఇది.
లెట్స్ పుష్ స్టార్ట్ ఇట్. టెన్షన్ పడ్డావారా బండి స్టార్ట్ కాకపోతే?
లేదురా, నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ నో ప్రాబ్లం విత్ ద బైక్.
నో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ యామ్ సేయింగ్.
బట్ ఒక 10 రోజులు నన్ను వేసుకుంటారా బాబు.
10 రోజుల ట్రిప్ లో వేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, నా ద ప్లాన్ ఇస్ టు జంప్ స్టార్ట్ దిస్ బైక్. కిషోర్ ఇస్ దేర్, సో నో ప్రాబ్లం. కిషోర్ గాట్ అ చార్జర్ యాజ్ వెల్.
నాకు USB ఉంది అక్కడ.
దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్, డోంట్ మేక్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ కిషోర్. ఓకే,
బిల్ లేదు అని చెప్తుంటే
ఇక్కడ లేదు రా కరెక్ట్ గా.
సో దీనికి డైరెక్ట్
టాప్ బాక్స్ హిట్ మీ హార్డ్ యార్.
ఇది రెడ్ అంటే రెడ్.
ఓకే, అడుగుతున్నారా?
అందుకే కిషోర్ ని జోకులు చేయకండి. హీ ఈజ్ అవర్ సేవియర్ నౌ.
ఎవరా అన్నది అసలు ఇది తీసుకురావాలి ట్రిప్ కి?
అరే ఇంకో బ్యాటరీ ఉంటుంది రా మా దగ్గర. కిషోర్ ట్రై చెక్ చేయి, బ్యాటరీ ఉంటుంది ఇంకోటి. ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ డూ వన్ థింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఐ విల్ గో ఇన్సైడ్ Maybe I'll have some breakfast. Not coffee. I think I'll have breakfast. I'll make something for myself. Hi, Tedu. Good. Never imagined I'm gonna come to Chaitanya's house this early in the morning. 3 eggs. Not skipping diet at all. Chaitanya, did you put any hashtag today?
No.
Please tell us first.
No hashtags.
Hashtag iPhones,
And
hashtag
still it
phones,
got messed up.
hashtag battery ఏమైనా పెట్టావా?
పెట్టాల్సింది. All charged up.
hashtag charged up అన్నావా? దొబ్బింది. అరే ఒక ప్లేట్ ఇవ్వండి. That's my breakfast. This fellow also wants. Thanks for the.
దీన్ని ఇట్లా చేయి.
ఇట్లా కావాలి.
Actually ఇది తింటాను.
One cooking tip: जल्दी करके चले जाना when your friends are around. Otherwise they'll ask you to cook. That's what is happening now. Chaitanya wants omelette. Before Srujan comes, I have to first finish it and leave. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి కుక్ ఎగబడినట్టు ఎగబడతారు. Just like dogs. అరే అటాకింగ్.
థ్యాంక్స్ రా.
చెప్పా కదా కుక్కలు ఎగబడినట్టు ఎగబడతారు.
ఎందుకు వస్తావు?
నేను తినేసి వచ్చా అందుకే. ఐ నో యూ పీపుల్ విల్ జంప్ అని.
ఇప్పుడు ఆకలేస్తుందిరా.
మై డైట్ ఇస్ డన్. Sudden surprise. Chaitanya, how is omelette?
8 out of 10.
Oh, for the efforts or is it really good? అంటే దాంట్లో ఏముంది బేసిక్ టూ ఆమ్లెట్ సమ్ డామినోస్ కా టాపింగ్స్.
ఆపేరా.
Oh, it seems bike started finally. ఏదో మా నెక్స్ట్ అనే అనుకున్నాము ఛార్జింగ్. ఈవెన్ గ్యాసోలిన్ బైక్ నీడ్స్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఛార్జింగ్. మా చరణ్ ఎంత తిట్టాము. ఏ ఊరికే ఛార్జింగ్ పాయింట్ మాది కూడా BMW కూడా ఛార్జింగ్ పాయింట్కి పెట్టినాం. బాయ్ బాయ్. ఓ ఎస్. ఓ బై ద వే పాండా ఇస్ హియర్. వీళ్ళందరూ ఒక కళ మనకు రైడ్కి రావాలంటే. టైమ్ ఇస్ 7:50 స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ చైతన్యస్ హౌస్ రైట్ నౌ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ I think 650 kilometers from here. As long as I remember, it took me when I went to Chikmagalur solo, it took me around 11 hours. But I started like literally at 3:45 a.m. almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and I reached around 2:30 or something like that in the afternoon. So yeah, it should take approximately 11 to 12 hours, but that was a solo ride. Now it's a group. See, there will be some kind of delay. I'm expecting road is gonna be super amazing right from Hyderabad to Anandapur. It's proper Bangalore highway. From there onwards we need to take a diversion towards the right. I'll show you all that on the way. Now let us get onto the highway. Breakfast pura ho gaya mera. I told everyone to eat something so that we need not stop somewhere again and delay. We just need to stop for a fuel break. We'll be stopping after at least 100 kilometers now. Let's wait for a second here and see. This is a delay. So everyone starts, but 1 or 2 people will stay back. वैसे तो we are like just 5 riders, but somehow it feels we are like a big group. And yes, the ride starts officially. This is the ORR and we are on the highway NH44. It is the most boring highway. Alright, actually now we are on proper NH44 because the road starts properly here. इधर से straight Anandapur, no turns, nothing, literally straight एक ही road. From there we take one right. I think we're not going to stop anywhere now. No breakfast, nothing. हो गया सबका breakfast. Directly we'll go to Pyramid and stop. That should be around 130 kilometers. No, 100 kilometers from here. Okay, this is officially the first toll gate we're passing. It feels so nice, yeah, to go on the bike. You can just go from the left. Aram se. When we went to Vizag, I was remembering my bike so much. I was missing it like hell. Every time going to those lines. Actually, FASTag aane ke baad it's much better. Waiting time near the toll gates have gone like crazy down. But this kind of comfort, no. See, you need to wait like that. Okay, we reached Food Pyramid. No plans to eat anything here, but why are we stopping here? Just for a quick break, I guess. I don't know why. And I need coffee, black coffee. Chaitanya, can I have some black coffee? Suju and Chaitanya, మీకు ఏమైనా రైడింగ్ టిప్స్ కావాలా? జూనియర్స్ కదా? You guys are juniors na. You came like boom put.
అరే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నిన్ను ఫాలో అవ్వాలంటే నీ డబ్బాలు తప్ప నువ్వు కనిపించట్లేదు రా.
As compliment తిడుతున్నావా? No, Ray, I'm saying because you came like literally 9 months back. Your last trip was Kerala.
ఫెబ్రవరి.
Riding tips కావాలా? టచ్లైన్ బండి నీదే.
టిప్ నెంబర్ 1 ప్రతి గుంట లోపటి నుంచి వెళ్ళాలి.
Obviously you have an adventure tour. That's how you need to ride. I never cried about my suspension, dude. And we'll start this later, okay? We have lots of stuff in these 3 bags, 3 boxes. Bags another double weight corner. We paid. We shouldn't be talking like that. These are proper premium HW Motec boxes. Metal. Hey, we have only 3 proper luggage, okay? And the other one is Atacama. Soft bags. Kishore also has some very interesting stuff. All this we'll see next room में क्या क्या है ये डब्बे में. A rai. ఒక రాయి అంత weight ఉంది.
Nice. 8 out of 10.
But a very good helmet. Amazing helmet. 9 out of 10 for this. 10 out of 10.
8.
ఇది కూడా 8 ఏనారా నీ లైఫ్లో. Okay, let's have some black coffee and we don't need to take much breaks. All professional riders, except little bit of juniors are there, but they are getting there.
But the junior.
Over here at Food Pyramid, Charan is eating pesara too. I don't know if Chaitanya can eat that. That is road dosa.
I'm asking Zishan right now.
He's asking his trainer. He's asking Zishan right now. No oil. Less oil, no oil. No oil, okay. కొంచెం ట్రిప్లో కలిసిమెలిసి ఉందాం, ఓకే. And I'm having my black coffee. Wherever we go, I'm not gonna miss it. Black coffee. పెట్రోల్ వాసన వస్తుందండి. పెట్రోల్ వాసన అదన చెయ్య శానిటైజర్ అని చెప్పి వెరీ బేసిక్ బ్లాక్ కాఫీ. వాళ్ళకి తెలియదేమో అని చెప్పి I asked, do you have coffee without milk? They said black coffee. And even Srujan is there in a diet. So nice, yaar. Like everyone is there in a diet. Good for me. And he's also having dosa with less oil. He's also in diet, Kishore, but he's having dosa with less oil. Avuna? That's onion dosa. Ishan. Damn it. This was unplugged all the time. Damn. I think Anantapur, na? So I think 290, 360. Okay, from Chaitanya's place. మాది కూడా అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్. తీసుకొచ్చావు కదా. 360 kilometers from Chaitanya's house till this point. But we have to add another 100 kilometers because Chaitanya ke liye we had to go back and again come back to the highway. Literally 50 kilometers, total 100 kilometers. So 460 we did. And now we'll stop for lunch. Another 6 or 7 kilometers and then we take a right niche se. Which we should be able to do I think in 5.5 hours. This was the update I was giving Piche also, but then I realized I did not plug in this mic here. Okay, base mate also drizzled a little bit. As you can see, a little bit of cloudy weather right now. Cloudy is still fine. Only thing is it shouldn't smash rain. No one put hashtags, right? Please don't put hashtags. ఆగండి రా ఒక నిమిషం, మంచిని బతకనియండి రా. Sharan, this feels like Goa trip, right? I mean this location. Even Mahabaleshwar, same place we stopped.
Some tree.
I'm not same place,
Some
but
tree for shade.
looks like this. Lunch break.
Time for 5 dabbas, 4 dabbas.
Nice, Ray. Actually, thing is, we are not spending so much because we have our own dabbas. Second thing is,
Life
we are not eating.
I am not spending so much for food unto that.
For food, yes. You got, what is that? Ready to eat, ready to make, ready to whatever.
పొదల్లో దొరుకుతుంది beautiful.
వాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు అక్కడ?
పొదల్లో దొరుకుతుంది.
Tea and dabbalu. Let's have our lunch and get out. Time is 1:45 p.m. Approximately 5 hours 52 minutes only. 277 kilometers left from here. 277 kilometers. చేసేయచ్చు, ఆరామ్సే చేసేయచ్చు. Maybe 4 hours 50 minutes. 1 hour we can easily race Google. Hoping so. Road is gonna be like this. not completely. After we go like approximately 70 or 80 kilometers, this road is gonna finish, and after that we'll have like proper single lane. I mean, this is the single lane, but that's gonna be like not itna wide. It's gonna be half of this literally.
खाने में क्या है?
Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, chicken pulao, mutton pulao, keema pulao, samosa ragda. Hey Kishore, layer unte ra chudu. Kishore techindi, he got just one small dabba, top box, but there is so much of stuff. We didn't even pack so much of stuff in both the panniers put together. Resistance bands, Sriman Kotaru said is zyada dedicated in terms of gym workout.
Very light. And already started.
This is called dedication, dude. Nerchkora. You have to do all this.
Sorry, Ra.
Actually, we'll have a small competition. Neek ekkunna stuff vaadiki ekkunna. Maavadu aithe last time he got a measuring tape.
నాయి తక్కువ నీట్ గా ప్యాక్డ్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ
ప్యాకింగ్ గురించే వాడు చెప్తున్నారు.
పాయింట్ షుడ్ బి దేర్ ఫర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్.
నీ దగ్గర తక్కువ ఉన్న యూస్లెస్ కదరా. వాటర్ చార్జర్ ఉందా? దానికోసం 100 కిలోమీటర్లు వచ్చిచ్చాం లేదా?
కొట్టాడు. వెళ్ళి బట్టలు వేసుకోకో. We have lot of amazing, exciting content coming up soon. Oh no, you said you want to sleep with Kishore?
Sleep. ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారా?
Correct గా మాట్లాడా. You want to sleep with Kishore? That's what you said?
You said you don't want to share a room with him. I said I will.
Yes.
నేను సుజు ఒక రూమ్.
బాగుందిరా. Enjoy.
I cannot be in this guy's room because he snores like his bike.
Your dad said even you
Generator.
snore.
I snore, re. I do snore. I'm accepting that. Thing is, like I told, whoever snores, they don't know it. Oats, हमारा oats batch. ఎంత బాగుంది ముచ్చటేస్తుంది అందరిని చూస్తుంటే. మెజరింగ్ ఇదిరా. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్. మళ్ళీ ఎవడు ఒప్పుకోడు ఇన్స్పైర్ అయినారు అంటే. ఇద్దరంటే కలిసి కొనుక్కున్నారా బట్టలు? అరే ఇట్రా, లిటరలీ సేమ్ టీ షర్ట్. సేమ్ టీ షర్ట్.
You all have the same ones, bro.
But no, not literally same, dude. This M and this is double XL.
కనపడి కూడా కనపట్లే.
ఫుడ్ కూడా వచ్చాడు. ఎంతసేపు ఫుడ్ బెడ్ ఈ రెండే. So let's have lunch and get out.
अति सुंदर क्या रोड है अमेजिंग one of the best scenic roads I've ever ridden in. This time is around 5:40 p.m. This light is going to stay for another 10 or 15 minutes. After that it's going to get dark. I see a beautiful horse on the left. Roads are pretty good since the last. See, in this whole trip, the roads were really good. Almost like 90% of the road was excellent. Another 70 or 80 kilometers left to reach our place of stay.
Light just cooks are full bright. Okay, we reached the place. Find the Chikmagalur. How much time did it take us? Approximately total
11 hours.
11 hours से ज़्यादा हुआ. I think 11 hours including breaks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing, yeah. Crazy pace. 7:45 we started from Chaitanya's house.
7:35. So we reached like 20-30 minutes ago.
And that too including a lot of breaks.
And rain and slush.
Arey, seriously, yaar, I don't understand why does it rain when I ride. Seriously. Look at our bikes. Full slush. Roads were totally effed up, bre. I didn't expect these kinds of roads.
All that slush and mud went into my
I didn't expect that slush part there. Actually, I'm not able to see anything. Like literally everything is blinded because of our helmet.
The rain was not harsh, was not small. It was pokey. We are
It
riding.
was misty. It was like mist.
Yeah, and we were riding into the rain. So because of that, we couldn't see anything properly. I removed my specs. I opened my visor and I was just riding.
This is the problem. See, this is one of the main reasons I want to eliminate the specs. Specs get fogged up.
That is the reason why I was
Even if you clean them, your visor gets fogged up.
Yeah.
Totally, it's effed up. So let's park. I already parked my bike. You also park your bike and come. We'll check in. बाकी का बात है room पे जाके we'll do it. You wanna be tough and tough, raw?
Raw.
Chaitanya, how was your ride?
Fantastic.
Congratulations. ఏదో చెప్పిన అందరికి వచ్చి ఇందాక
గుడ్ జాబ్ చెప్పినారా లాస్ట్ 2 hours పట్టా
శరణ్ న్యూ కమర్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ గుడ్ జాబ్ అన్నీ
అరే
చెప్తున్నాడు.
కిషోర్కి చెప్పాల్సి
We were only
వచ్చింది.
following the tail light. There was
We were like, we didn't have visibility. Like visibility was 2%, 5%. I was just looking at Srujan's tail light and following him. One small dot. I
We
think roads were
experienced
excellent.
everything in this
95% they were excellent. Last, like I think around 5%, maybe last 15-20 kilometers were
Actually,
really
the road
effort.
was good because it was raining and it was dark. Hello. Oh,
Hi.
please
No,
come
no
in,
problem.
please come in.
Okay.
I just wanted to meet you, sir. Sunny,
Yeah.
I look after the hotel.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes,
Sunny.
you to stay with us.
Oh yeah.
We heard a lot about you. Anish was talking about you.
Oh, by the way, Anish. Oh, that's Anish. That's Anish. He works here and he's my subscriber, my follower. You're following me since
2 years, sir.
2 years. And he was telling me, he reminded me that this is the second time I came to Chikmagalur.
My name is Sunny. I look after the hotel. I'm the general manager for the hotel.
Oh, nice. Okay. Then we're gonna talk about discounts.
You got a nice name, Sunny.
And please reach out to us anything about your food or preference or you want
Sure,
to
sure.
do something special.
Done.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Be good.
Good ride. You said excellent ride.
Yeah, excellent
This
ride.
ride we would have not probably faced the dark, maybe rain, if this guy had checked his bike last night.
I checked my bike. It looked good.
2 hours.
Visually, I
No,
checked
but-
my bike visually.
There were a few adventures that happened. Yours. That is the biggest adventure that
Right, you
happened.
didn't even see it.
Second
He had to
thing.
push his bike.
We couldn't push it past 15 kilometers per hour. This guy is like, push to 20, push to 20. ఏమో ఉరుకుతున్నాయి ఇట్లా.
వీడేమో GST
I missed all this.
అంటాడు కదా. They do it from here till the TV in 20.
కాదురా, when me and Pranav were pushing this fellow, he's like, what man, no cardio, no fitness, you're not able to push అన్నాడు. తర్వాత వీడొచ్చిండు. అంతే సేమ్.
I have a defective leg. What you
ఇదొకటి 1 year నుంచి
అన్నిటికీ హ్యాండిక్యాప్ మోడ్ లో పోతాడు పని చెప్తే. Okay, apart from that, that was one adventure. Then Kishore, who said my phone is lost? Kishore. Twice he said that.
had nice windy roads, good guts, good
Ghats?
views.
I didn't see any ghats. One turn, maybe one ghat.
Little bit of everything అని చెప్పినా కదరా.
Little bit అనరు అదండి, మైక్రోస్కోపిక్ ఘాట్
అరే
అంటారు.
నువ్వు పోరా, నీకు ఏం కావాలరా?
మైక్రోస్కోపిక్
అన్ని
ఘాట్
ghats
అంటారు.
చెప్పుకో.
అరే నిజం ఘాట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయరా?
సరేనా?
అరే ఒక్కసారి చెప్పరా ఘాట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చెప్పరా?
ఓకే రా, సారీ రమ్మన్.
అంటే
సారీ.
అరే రే.
కొత్త కదా, చిన్న ఘాట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. అరే ఘాట్ 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 ఘాట్.
No, but seriously.
This is one thing I did not want. In the morning also I was praying to Mother Nature, please don't rain. Yesterday also I prayed, tomorrow we're gonna start our ride, please don't rain, and that is what exactly happened. Hopefully tomorrow, did you put any hashtags again? No rains. November, no rains. By the way, 3 of us are sharing this room. The other room, the great Kishore and
they
Srujan.
ordered-
బటర్ఫ్లై వచ్చిందిరా లోపలికి.
ఏదో పోతున్నాగా ఎక్కిండ్రా అక్కడి నుంచి.
బటర్ఫ్లై పక్కన పెట్టండి. ఐ జస్ట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎడిటింగ్, బట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ యార్. పడ్డాడు రే. ఏం దొరికినా కెమెరాలో. అటు నుంచి రావచ్చు కదా. సీరియస్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ యార్, వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐమ్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఇట్స్ రైనింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా ఇట్లా పడితే ఏం మనట్టు ఎట్లా హౌ ఏం పడ్డాడు తెలుసా? అరే బై ద వే ఐ ఆల్సో గాట్ హర్ట్. యువర్ ప్యానియర్స్ ఉంది.
లాగింగ్ చేస్తున్నారా మరి?
Anyways guys, in case you guys
అరే, మరి
like
vlog
this
చేస్తున్నారా?
video, ఎందుకు?
అదేనా బయటకునే నీకు ఏర్పాటు
నేను పెట్టుకోలేదు లోపల.
అదే అనుకుంటుంటారా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూస్తే
అరే వాడు
ఇక్కడున్నాయి
పెట్టుకోడు.
బయట.
అరే నేను పెట్టుకోలేరా?
నీళ్ళు వస్తున్నాయి ఇలా
మరి ఇట్లా
చూడండి.
పడిపోతుందిరా నేను రన్ చేస్తుంటే.
నేను
I
అన్నాను
think I need to
దట్
get a
ఇస్
new AirPods.
వాడు.
AirPods 3.
అరే వాడు రాది, నేను కాదు. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ పడిపోతే ఆడంటాడు.
పడిపోతాయి. నేను
అదో వాడంటాడు, నేను ఎప్పుడైనా ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ పడిపోతాయి.
వాడు పడిపోయినా వాడు కొనకపోయినా వాడు డెఫినెట్లీ 3 కొంటాడు. AirPods 3 వస్తాయి. నువ్వు అరే పడిపోయిందిరా,
అరే వాడు-
స్టైల్ టు బై AirPods 3.
వాడు
ఇది
different ఆ?
బ్యాటరీ జస్ట్ ఒక 1% తక్కువ అయినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది.
దట్స్ ఆల్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ స్లాబ్ లేయర్,
స్లాబ్
వీడియో మేకర్.
వీడియో మేకర్.
స్లాబ్ లేయర్స్ కి అట్లాంటి పైసలు ఉంటాయి.
అబ్బా.
Anyways guys, I hope you guys have liked this video. In case you did, definitely hit the subscribe button. Do
Hit the
like.
like, hit the subscribe, comment down below, and also గంట కూడా కొట్టండి.
Thank you. And what is the plan tomorrow?
లేట్ గా లేద్దాం, జిమ్ కి వెళ్దాం.
అరే జిమ్
అరే.
సెషన్ టుమారో. కలిపి కొట్టించుకుందాం.
శ్రీమాన్ మనకి లక్ ఏంట్రా, బయట వర్షమేంది మళ్ళీ.
అరే that's what I was saying. Okay, tomorrow ka plan, we'll talk tomorrow. Abhi I'll sit for editing, try to finish my dinner and try to finish the vlog and try to upload as soon as possible by tomorrow.